I made millions of dollars online with ChatGPT, and today I'm going to share with you how you can get started earning over $1,000 a day, even if you've never used AI before. Now, inside of today's video, I'm also going to be giving you a 30-day free trial to a tool that allows you to resell access to ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you how you can find clients that actually want to pay you for access to this ChatGPT integrated tool. And we're going to be finding these clients on Google Maps. So if you're excited and you want access to everything I'm going to be showing you in today's video, like the 30-day free trial, the 5-day AI challenge that you can go through so that you can start landing your first client, just like we're seeing inside of our group, tons of people are actually landing their first clients. All you have to do to get started and get access to everything is just drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe, and I will send you access to everything you need to get started inside of today's video. So let's talk about how this system works. Now, normally you're not going to be able to just resell access to ChatGPT. They do not have an affiliate program. They do not have a reseller program. The only way that you can use ChatGPT to sell it is by actually using a tool that's integrated with ChatGPT that allows you to sell chatbots for businesses. And if you don't know what that means, basically, we have the ability to set up an AI chatbot on any website, and we can get paid every single month for access to this AI chatbot that businesses need. And let me just show you here. If we type in something like iPhone repair near me and we start clicking on the Google Maps results, we're going to see tons of different local businesses that have no AI chatbot. And one of the things that you're going to see over the next few years is more and more businesses are going to start implementing AI customer service into their business. And the reason why is because most businesses that aren't using AI chatbots or any sort of AI customer service type tool or system is going to have a slower response time than the businesses that do. So for example, if this website has an AI chatbot on it, I could ask right now when I can book an appointment and I can get an immediate response. But because I can't get an immediate response from one of these businesses, well, I'm probably going to go to the next business until I get a response because most people want responses right away. And so what we can do is we can actually offer a chatbot and an AI system that's integrated with ChatGPT to these different businesses. And if they say yes, we can bill them every single month for this AI chatbot and AI service. And the best part about all of this is it's really, really easy to set up. And we're actually seeing people in our group set these chatbots up for these local businesses, and they're earning money within the first 5 days of the AI challenge that we're doing. So check this out. Tumble says, just landed a client who was impressed with my website and AI bots that they hired me for a full website overhaul, including AI live agents, appointment bookings, and more. Signed a contract, $1,000 up front, plus $200 a month for ongoing support. And we're seeing so many different people in here that are going through this AI challenge and they're landing their first clients. And what's even cooler is they're actually also getting entered to win money because every single month we give away money inside of our group to people that are taking action. Now, to get started, what we're going to do is we're going to head over to Shinify.com. This is where the AI challenge is located. Now, once you're inside of this challenge here, what you're going to do is you're going to not only get access to the full AI challenge, but you're also going to get a 30-day free trial to the tool that allows you to resell access to ChatGPT. And let me show you how easy this is to set up for these different local businesses. So what you're going to do once you have signed in and got your 30-day free trial is you're going to just log into your account. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to go and set up a simple AI chatbot. Now look how easy this is. If I go to my settings and I go to conversation AI here, I'm going to be able to set up an AI chatbot for any website I'd like. And the best part about this is I don't even have to have access to the website to do this. So let me just delete some of these other chatbots because I was just using those as examples for my previous videos. But I can click on Create Conversation AI Bot here. And you can see there's different types of bots I can create. So general Q&A, appointment booking, or I can start from scratch. And really all this is just different types of chatbots I can build for these businesses. So let me just click on general Q&A here. And now I can name my chatbot. Now, what's really cool about this is we can actually set up the AI chatbot for a business's Instagram page. We can set up an AI chatbot for their Facebook, for their texting, for their live chat on their website. And remember, this is integrated with ChatGPT. And so what we're basically doing is we're taking the ChatGPT technology and we're allowing people to use it on their website with a simple interface here. And we can resell this every single month for over $1,000 a month. And you might be thinking, well, who's going to pay $1,000 a month just for an AI chatbot? And that's the cool thing is you can actually choose to bundle other things in here as well, because this tool also has voice AI agents, and that allows you to actually create an AI answering system. So when somebody calls the business, a AI clone or an AI employee will actually get on the phone and talk to the business owners or to the customers or the prospects. So we're going to name our AI employee here, and we're just going to call it example AI employee. And we're going to just select live chat here for the moment. So this will just be for the website. And we're going to name the business here. We'll just call it example business. And we're going to choose how long we want the bot to wait before it does a response. So let's just switch this to 20 seconds. Now that's really pretty much all you have to do for the setup besides just training the bot. So we're going to click on save, and then we're going to click on bot training. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just choose what we want to have this bot train on from the website. And that's it. You're done after that. You can actually show this chatbot to the example business, and they can actually have a conversation with their chatbot that quickly. And so I can go to this website like therepairee.com, copy the link right here, and I can paste this into the AI chatbot tool, click on get data, and now what's going to happen is this tool is actually going to be trained on the data from the website, and now it will be able to answer questions based on the data that it got. So I can say, do you do iPhone repair? And because it's now trained on this website, it will answer the question accordingly. It says, yes, we do iPhone repairs, including screen and battery replacement. So boom, we already have a chatbot that uses AI to interact with the customers, and we can further train this bot to do whatever we want. So we can have it book appointments, we can have it give our phone number to the customers, and we can do all kinds of cool stuff very, very quickly. You can see how simple this is. And I want you to think about this. How many websites need an AI employee to be able to interact with their customers? There's literally millions of websites like this. And think about how many customers these businesses are going to start losing to the people that are using AI. And so this is the future. What's going to happen is you're going to see more and more businesses start to integrate AI. And instead of you being the one that potentially gets replaced by AI, you can be the one that actually replaces a lot of the customer service that these businesses have to pay for every single month with AI robots. And you can do that with the different tools inside of the 5-day AI challenge that you're going to use to learn about all the features that you can start selling, like the conversation AI, which is the AI chatbot, the voice AI, which is the AI caller, which will answer phones, and even it will even do outbound as well. And also, you can go and learn about the different social media services, and so many things that you can start implementing AI as a service, and you can start selling this to these businesses very, very quickly because they all need AI. And if you don't believe me, join our group. I will leave a link to our group, our free group that you can go and check out, and you can go ask questions and interact with the people in our group and see how many people are actually going out and going through this 5-day AI challenge, and they are utilizing this 5-day AI challenge to land their first client in those 5 days. And remember, you don't have to pay any money when you start because you're getting a 30-day free trial to this tool. And if you can get a client within the first 5 days or even the first month, then you don't even have to worry about paying for this because the client will end up paying for the technology. So this is probably one of the biggest opportunities on the internet right now. And I think you're going to be really, really excited when you dive into this because you're going to understand how much you can start earning with this system. So if you're in the 5-day AI challenge already and you're watching these videos and you're thinking, wow, this is amazing, let me know. Just drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe. But that's it for today. We'll see you inside. Until we do, happy money making.